Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by loading your asset, import the image or mesh, and set resolution so edges read clearly. Once loaded, enable GPU acceleration and select the plugin version you need. Next, choose a brush size and edge detection threshold to capture details without noise. Make a new stroke layer, lock background layers, and pick your primary color and opacity. This gets you into the editing flow immediately, so you can paint precise edges rather than fighting software defaults. Once you have base strokes, refine them with pressure, tilt, and smoothing settings to control line weight and flow. Make sure to toggle magnetic snapping for corners and hold modifier keys to constrain angles. You should adjust edge detection mid-pass so new strokes respect refined edges and employ mask painting to protect painted regions. Work in clear passes, layout, detail, and highlights, and use blend modes to build depth. Also save incremental versions so you can revert without losing good work. You finish by exporting your work in the appropriate format: PNG for raster with 300 dpi, PSD for layered edits, or SVG for vectors. Before export, flatten or tidy layers, heal tiny gaps, and unify stroke caps so edges read consistently. Make sure color profiles match your delivery target. If something goes wrong, revert to the last good save, check GPU drivers and memory, or rerun edge detection with a lower threshold to capture missed lines. That single.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.